Okay, so
Here's something I prepared earlier.
tell us all about it because you cheated and did that while we weren't looking.
Yes. This is a beautiful guacamole,
Yeah,
which is onion, diced onion,
yeah,
tomato,
yeah.
some jalapeno peppers chopped up. And I actually used ones that are already in a jar.
Okay, yeah.
And I popped in a little bit of this sriracha hot chili sauce,
Okay,
salt and pepper,
yeah.
lime juice, and mashed up the avocado.
Okay.
And that is the
And
guacamole.
so just tell me about the kind of general proportion. I mean, you did that to taste, but...
Yes. I would say 1 onion,
Yeah,
about maybe 10 or 12 of these cherry tomatoes,
yeah.
1 lime squeezed, and salt and pepper to taste.
Okay.
And
That gives you a nice big...
yeah. And probably 4 or 5 slices of jalapeno chopped up.
Yeah. Fab. Okay, so when you've done that, we're moving on to making...
Cabbage slaw.
Okay.
White cabbage.
Yeah.
So you don't want the Savoy cabbage, you want the white cabbage.
Right, okay.
Comme ça.
Yeah.
And then you just kind of slice it
Yeah.
like this,
Nice and thin.
and you just keep going.
Okay.
And I cut the cabbage in half,
Yeah.
and then I start, so this is the bottom of the cabbage,
Okay.
just kind of shaving
Away from the bottom.
away from this kind of stalk part.
Yeah, okay.
So you get the nice pieces of the
Yeah.
cabbage. And we don't need a huge amount of this because
Right.
it's just a garnish.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to do probably just this much. Maybe not even half a cabbage.
Okay.
Because we're how many people tonight? We're 4 or 5? 5 people.
Yeah.
We have Eddie, Joya, Richard, Sophie, and Pete.
Heaven.
So,
Yeah.
voila.
Yeah.
And actually, it needs just a little bit of onion, which I'm going to do a similar thing. I'm just going to mix in some little shavings of onion,
Yeah.
like that. And basically, you just cut the top and bottom so the onion is freed.
Mm-hmm.
And you just cut sideways so you get little
Yeah. Okay.
pieces like that. And that will just give it a little bit of zest, or flavour. And then, actually, there isn't really, you can do some carrot in here if you want, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do a little bit of colour with an orange pepper. And I'm just going to do the same kind of thing, make little julienne, well not actually julienne, just little slices that can just be mixed into the cabbage and onion for colour. I think it just brightens it up. And then, once we've done that, I'm just going to make a very simple lime kind of dressing.
Oh yeah, it looks pretty. And presumably adds a little bit of sweetness, I suppose.
Yeah. So that's, I think, a nice little touch. But you can have things like celery in here, and depending on if you're making one with a lot of, mayonnaise, like a traditional coleslaw, you would want to have, I think, celery, carrot,
Yeah.
traditional kind of coleslaw stuff. But this is a little more simple because it's, as I said, just a little bit of garnish that goes on the top of the taco.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's that. And then I'm going to make the dressing.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take some of this lime juice.
Yeah.
Some oil.
Mm-hmm.
Some pepper and salt.
Yeah.
And I think that's it, because we're going to avoid honey, because one of the recipes says put honey in it, but we're just going to keep it citrusy versus citrusy and sweet.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do that. I don't think we need to...
mayonnaise, you've been doing that?
I'm not going to do mayonnaise.
Oh, okay. All right. So you're just going to pour all those things straight over it and just taste.
Toss it.
And,
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Well, we'll reconvene later to see how it all goes down.